Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll learn how to access the list of actions you can undo in Microsoft Excel. This feature is very useful when you make multiple changes and want to reverse specific actions easily. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Next, make sure you're working on a worksheet where you've already performed a few actions such as typing, formatting, or inserting data. These actions will appear in your undo history. Then, look at the top left corner of the Excel window on the Quick Access toolbar. Click the small arrow on the right side of the Undo button. A list will appear showing all the actions you can reverse. Each item in the list represents a recent action you performed. Now, simply click on any item in that list. Excel will undo that action and all the actions above it in the list. This allows you to quickly correct mistakes or return your worksheet to an earlier state. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.